Hello, welcome back, welcome back.
Ma'am, only two students.
What happened to the others?
Ma'am, I think I should I should put the message in group.
Please do. I think they've forgotten about the second class.
Yeah, ma'am. Wait.
All right, so I am thinking I will actually write a book review right here along with you all. You will help me to write the book review so that we can understand that how simple and easy it is. All right. Now you will keep telling me the points and I'll type it for you so that we'll understand that this is no rocket science. This is no rocket science, and we don't need um, we really don't need any rosy words. We do not need any kind of very glamorous words here. We don't need any difficult vocabulary here. Very simple words, and we can just simply write a book review. So you keep telling me the point, and we'll work upon the actual book review. So I'll do it along with you. I'm going to do it right here. Are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see the screen here?
No, ma'am.
All right, just a second. Just let me see if I'm able to do it or not. Come back to Zoom class and let me see if I can bring this share screen. Yes. Now I think you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So now
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be working along with you. Is all right. So that you'll be knowing what's happening. Now tell me the first point, and you will make the sentences so it'll become easy for you. Name of the book. Choose any name. Any name. Don't think too much.
Treasure Trove is a wonderful book released in recent time.
All right. So we just have to talk about the name of the book, and I'm taking up just any name, huh? I am taking up. You said treasure trove is a. What did you say after that?
Wonderful book released in recent time.
All right. I have to keep going to the door all the time to let the children come in. That takes away half of my time. Is a. is happening? This typing thing is so new to me. It's a wonderful book release. In recent times. All right. So we cover up one point here. Next, what is the next point? Others, each one of you will try one point so that we learn how simple it is to write the book review, and we need simple words. What is the next point?
Author.
Author. So give me a line about the author.
The book is written by a renowned author, Ms. Janvi Pandey.
Okay, the book is, I'm using the word authored here instead of written. You can write down authored or written is authored. Authored and written mean same. The book is authored by Miss, by, you said the renowned also. I forgot that. By the renowned author, Miss Jahanvi or Jahanvi? J-H?
Janvi. Jahnvhi.
J-A.
H-N.
Miss Jahanvi Pandey, right? Okay, very good. So we've got the 2 points here. We've got 2 marks. So I am making it 2 बार author आ गया तो इसको written कर देते हैं, है ना? ये भी देखना पड़ जाता है थोड़ा सा language में, that we should avoid repeating. The book is written by the renowned author Miss Jahanvi Pandey. What next? What is our next point?
Publishers.
Publisher. So give me a point now. Keep telling me your name as you're taking me in writing the book review. Today we'll try and write the book review right here live. Yes. Published by whom?
बंद कर दो दरवाजा बंद
Live.
मेरे को पता चल रहा है हमको. You'll have to tell me the name.
Ma'am, Anuradha.
Anuradha and we cannot write, sorry, we cannot write a proper name here. It will have to be a common name. It'll have
Goyal Brothers.
Okay, so then I think I'll use Anuradha in this case. Anuradha sisters have published the book, have published the book, have published this book. Next point. You saw, Anuradha, how we cannot use the proper name, so we made it as like we have Goyal brothers. So I made it Anuradha sisters, isn't it? Yes. What is the next point? Quickly, we have to finish writing it in the given time so that today it will be absolutely real for you and you will know how simple it's going.
Pages and price.
Tell me.
The book contains 330 pages, and this book is priced at rupees 220.
300 and how many pages? 20 pages. है ना? कुछ भी लिख देते हैं.
Yes.
20. Anuradha, you had this question to ask me. You see, how am I going? I am only thinking of the points and writing something about it on my own. Whether it's real, we don't know. I hope so that fear and that doubt will be cleared. The book contains 320 pages.
And this book is priced at
It
rupees
is
220.
priced at rupees, you said how much? Make it cheap, don't make it very expensive. Let's put it as 25.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
I'm putting it cheap, I'm making it economical. I'm not making hundreds, I'm talking of 25 rupees. It is priced at rupees 25. I'll add one more word here because we're having
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Which is quite affordable.
yes, you wanted to.
Ma'am, can we also write that how many parts of the books are being produced by
Yes.
and
Where do you want to write down that point? How many parts? To which you can write whatever you want, provided it fits any one of our points given in the question. Each time the question will change. है ना? Next time I may give you a question which will not talk about the author, or it may not talk about the pages. So then you will have to take this point somewhere else where you think it can fit. So we go by the question. We cannot copy the same book review all the time. We won't be able to do that. I hope all the children, you're understanding this very major part, that
yes, ma'am.
we will have to customize it. We will have to customize whatever we are writing according to the question. Let me change the question. Let me now change the question. What is the next point according to the old question? Tell me. As per the other question that I've given you, what is the next point after pricing and pages?
Genre.
Andre. All right. So maybe I change the point and I make genre and language as one point. Okay. Now, genre and language are one point. They're not two separate points. So then how will we go about? I'm removing the word, I'm removing language. I'm only talking about genre. Okay. I'm removing the point language and I'm only going to talk about genre.
Ma'am, this is a kind of storybook.
Okay, this is a storybook. This is a storybook with a lot of lot of graphics, with a lot of graphic works, with a lot of graphics, and any other genre that you want to talk about here? Give me a point. What kind of a book is this? It has a lot of graphics. Anything else you want to add? And is based on scientific fiction. Do you understand this point, scientific fiction? Do you understand what do we mean by scientific fiction? ये किस तरीके की स्टोरी है? Scientific fiction की है. What do you mean by scientific fiction? See, I'm expanding. The characters live on the characters live on the planet Venus. Where there is no sun. Do you understand science fiction here now? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember the story from your treasure trove?
Yes, ma'am.
The last one, isn't it? I'm talking about, suppose it's a book in which that is the only story, you know, about, so this is a story in which there are a lot of graphics, a lot of pictures used, and it is based on scientific fiction. The characters live on the planet Venus where there is no sun. Rising of the sun is an
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
You can't see my screen? I've shared it.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
about-
ma'am. We
Ma'am.
can't able to see your screen.
Let me see again. Okay, let me see if it's being shared or not. Just a second. All right. Just check now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can
Ma'am.
see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see it.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
this is what I'm
Yes.
writing. And you can also write. See, are you able to write on the screen here? Are you able to type? Rising
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
sun.
Yes, ma'am.
You're able to write. Then you also write the next line. Is an I finish this point. Then you write it. Is an important festival in the planet. No, don't draw. We really need to write. So see if you're able to write. Type. See if you're able to type.
Ma'am.
Do the next paragraph from here. I'll leave the cursor for you here. Now see if you're able to take up the next point from here.
Ma'am. Ma'am, nahi.
Oh, why? Let me see if that is not enabled. You're able to draw.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, all right. Maybe I'll do some more research, children. I'm also learning all these different new methods of. Divya Tiwari is requesting remote control of your screen. I approve. I approve. Divya, now see if you're able to. See, Divya asked me for control. And let's see, Divya, if you're able to type something here. Yes. Very good. Type on, type on. See. Now this is Divya doing it.
Ma'am,
All right, Divya, write about a line. What is the next point? Talk about attractive features.
But we can't see.
You can't see, I'll just share it again. Let her write, then. Write about the cover of the book or the attractive features.
Ma'am, actually, I'm just trying for first time.
I know. No problems. No problem, Divya. See, you understand, even I'm trying it for the first time and we are all learning together. So, not an issue at all. She's trying to type something. While she's learning, I'm doing some typing. I'm taking up the next point. The book is very
Ma'am, your is very low.
the book attracts the book. Oh my god, this my and then typing all together. A lot of things to do. This teaching online is lovely, very adventurous. The book attracts attention in one look. The publishers have added a bookmark to place on the page read last. Any other book anything else you want to add? Any other point you want to add? Anything else?
Climax.
No. Or yes, next point that you want to add. See, what I want to tell you is that we have taken up, say, name of the book here, so I underline it. Another point was release, so that is I've covered up here, so I underline it. Now the book is written, we were talking about author, so I underline that. Okay. Then we talk about, the next point was about publishers, so I have covered that point also, so I underline that. Now we talk about pages, so I've covered up the point about pages, so I underline that. I've talked about pricing, so we underline that. Whatever were the points given in the question, that very word I will underline, so that we remember I have covered up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Then I talked about the genre. So I talk about here scientific fiction, and that's the genre of the book. Now we're talking about attractive features. So attracts attention. So these two lines are, we are talking about how it attracts attention because they have put a bookmark. Now tell me, how many words are these?
Ma'am, 8.
We have covered up 8 points. What are the next? What is the next point? Let me take up here now. Please read out. Okay, let's do the summary. Okay. The story revolves around a small girl who has been sent to planet Venus for the first time to has been sent. Sorry, I am learning typing also, so this is difficult. Divya will understand that how difficult it is, है ना? For the first time. She
Yes, ma'am.
enrolls she joins a school. Tell me some points, all of you. Remember that story, the last story? So tell me some points so that I can write on the summary of that chapter. Basically, it was a chapter in that storybook. But here we are imagining that Treasure Trove only had that story, suppose. है ना? So it's our imagination. So she joins a
She
school.
joins a school which
Yes.
some children are
She joins a school where
in the
some
children.
children play a prank on her.
Yes, ma'am.
They are naughty with her. They play where some children play. I'm using a word prank, which means they are naughty and they kind of misbehave. They play a
Yes, ma'am. Their behavior are not good.
yes, they annoy her. है ना? She joins a school where some children play a prank on her. What else do you want to talk about this?
Ma'am, by which the girl got depressed and for some reason
All right.
she don't share her feelings to others.
The girl gets depressed and does not share her feelings. Something went wrong with depressed spelling there. The girl gets depressed and does not share her feelings with her friends. Isn't it something like that? All right. What else? What is the next point? We leave off the point here. I'll end it like this. Rest of the
So,
makes an interest. See, now what I'm doing is makes an interesting read. Now, did you notice here? I have not written the whole story here. I have said rest of the story makes an interesting read means buy a book and read it for yourself and find out what happens. So this is also an important part whenever we are writing a film review or we are writing a book review. We should make sure, we should try not to spill out all the secret. We should try and leave something for the readers. है ना? So my way of doing it is in this way, that I have left off here that the rest of the story makes an interesting read. All right, what is the next point now? Yes, help me please. Next point, what was it?
Age group. Ma'am, age group.
Age group, okay.
Age group.
Teenagers will find it very appealing as it is as the main character is herself a teenager. Anything else you want to add here? I want to add up maybe something about school. School going children can
relate their life
relate, yes, relate to this book as it centered in a school. Does it make sense here?
yes ma'am.
See, I'm just doing something so that you all can understand that, you know, how simple it is. I'm not doing anything big or nothing, you know, something which is coming to our mind is something that I'm going on doing. Yes, what else can we add here? What is our next point?
Ma'am, what it takes and what it gives.
Sorry, couldn't hear, Chaitanya, could you come again?
Ma'am, means ma'am, we ma'am, it can take a ma'am, वो हमारा टाइम ले सकती है बुक रीड करने के लिए, but it gives us knowledge.
Okay, so I'll take it up as attractive features. What do you want to, what is our next point? What is our next point?
Ma'am, attractive.
Which other point can we take up here? Go
No
by the
attractive
question. Go by the
features.
question. We will not write whatever we want. This is where is the warning bell. We may want to write whatever we want, but it will be also useless. It will be also irrelevant. I may want to write many things, but each time I have to turn back and I have to look at the question. So tell me, what is the next point in the question?
Attractive features.
Attractive features. Attractive features haven't we taken up already earlier? This book
Yes,
attracts
ma'am.
attention.
Attractive
Yes, ma'am.
attention.
So let
Ma'am,
me
design of the book cover.
just a second. That means I need to cut it from there and bring it here, because as per the
Ma'am,
question, it should come here, and otherwise I will not get marks. Yes. Now, storybook. We have talked about John Gray. Story revolves. So I have given you the. This is the summary. So I underline this also. Now, who will age group? So age group is for teenagers. That's my keyword here. I've covered up attractive points. Anything else you want to write up on attractive points? We can even
The
talk of
publisher provides CD at the end of the story.
All right. Okay. I'll make it small. Let me put it like this. A CD has been provided at the back to help those who wish to understand
The story in detail.
story better. And anything, up to you. Whatever your mind says, you write down here. I've just put it as who want to understand the story better. All right. What is the next point now? After attractive features,
Mom, design of book cover.
sign of the book cover. The co- the cover of the book.
Ma'am, can I try this?
Yes, say. Keep saying. You don't have to wait. Keep saying the cover of the
The
book
cover of the book is given a 3D look.
is given a
A 3D
3
eh,
3D look. Wonderful point. Look.
to attract the readers.
Okay, that will. But we won't say what is the impact. Impact we'll talk later. The cover of the book
Okay,
is
ma'am.
given a 3D look. Anything
Which
else?
is pastel blue color.
Okay, so I'll make a new sentence. I prefer small sentences. The background, isn't it? We can talk like this. The background is in, you said
Pastel blue.
blue. Sorry, my typing. No, this is such a problem. Is in blue color with why is it in blue color? Let me add. The background is in blue color.
Ma'am, with full of stars.
Okay, with full of star is in blue color. Full of stars. Okay. What else? Next point. Impact.
Impact.
Something like that. Hmm? Okay. Anyone. Oh, half the time goes away in typing. Anyone who reads the book